if your iPhone says the time zone cannot be set manually and the option is dimmed. Okay, this would probably come after device restrictions right here. Let me help break down what you're going to want to do ahead and what you have to fix it. First, what you're going to want to do is check screen time. This is the most common reason the time zone is locked. Go ahead and open Settings over here. Tap Screen Time and scroll a bit. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode, and then tap Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Enter the passcode to confirm. Check if you can already change the time zone after this. Okay, if that didn't work, you probably got to check for a management profile. If this iPhone is linked up to work or school, an MDM profile can demand automatic time settings. Go ahead and open Settings. Tap General, and then VPN and Device Management. Look for any profile listed there. If you see one, you would have to remove it. Tap Remove Management and follow the steps. You may have to call on the administrator to do this if required. Next, you're going to want to check location-based time settings. Go ahead and open Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services and scroll all the way down. Tap System Services. Look for Setting Time Zone and toggle it off. Go back to Date and Time and see if manual control is now available. This step helps a bit when the phone keeps forcing the time automatically. Anyways, here are a few extra things you can try. Restart the iPhone to refresh settings. Go ahead and turn off Share Across Devices in Screen Time, so restrictions do not come after this phone from another device. If needed, you can also remove the SIM card or turn on airplane mode for a moment. This cheap trick can sometimes unlock the setting depending on the carrier. That's the full breakdown to help you fix the time zone restriction and make out why it was locked. Keep these steps in mind. Go after the one that fits your situation. And if you have any other questions, ask if required.